Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, how are you doing? My name is Ser-ri-vah and this is my YouTube channel. So like it says in the title, this will be a day in my life. So everything that I have planned for today, you will be coming along with me and I'll basically be talking to you. Y'all be watching what I do today. So I don't really have a lot of things planned. I want to do a lot of things. So right now I'm getting ready to go to the gym. That's kind of one of my New Year's resolutions. The second thing is I really need to clean my car, so hopefully we get to that. We're going to get to that because that's a big project that I need to do. Thirdly, I want to go to like the thrift store just to go look around. I haven't been to the thrift store in a while and I just want to go look around, see what I can find and whatnot. And then after that, I was planning on just going to like Panera Bread or just some type of like sit down coffee shop type of vibe to do some work that I have to do, just because sometimes my house is a little loud and it's kind of distracting. But we'll see. It's not a lot of work. I could do it at home, but I just wanted somewhere quiet where it's not a lot of sounds. So that's just like that's something that's on the table. We're not really sure if I want to do that, but right now I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'm not gonna really do a full like talk to y'all just because I am working out, but y'all gonna see me working out. So let me stop talking and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm done. Woo! But yeah, I'm done. So I'm about to go home, take a shower, and then we'll go do the other errands that I have planned for today. I'm hungry. I am hungry, but I don't want to spend money to get something to eat, so I'm probably gonna make something. So yeah, after I take my shower, then I'll make something, then I'll go to the car wash. And I don't know if I'm getting a car wash or if I'm just going to like clean the inside of my car. Okay guys, so I'm done with the shower. So I decided just to get me some oatmeal, some protein oats, just because I can't find anything else that I want to eat right now. So I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna just go chill for a little bit, just to let my body rest a little bit. And then after I'm done resting and like done my meal, then we'll go to wash my car. So yeah, be back. So hey guys, just wanted to show you my dogs. This is Lily Billy, hey, or Lily, but we call her Lily Billy, Lil Bill, and that's all. Here comes Spot Bot. Hey Spotty, or Spot, his actual name is Spot. Okay, you can get that. And we call him Spot, Spotty, Scooby-Doo, Spotticus, and those other names. Okay guys, so we're about to go to the car wash. I just checked my car. I think I'm good for like the outside. I just need to clean the inside and the inside mirrors. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go vacuum and just clean the mirrors, because I know y'all be seeing my TikToks. The mirror be crusty. So yeah, I'm glad that I got in the gym. Ever since, like, cause this is a story. The last, like, maybe like no, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I dropped a weight on my foot, so I had to, like, not go to the gym for a good, like, week. So that just ruined my schedule, because I was going like every day and then having like Friday and Saturday off, because that's where I usually do stuff on. But yeah, it like ruined my schedule from after my like toe heel. I was like lacking. I was really lacking when it came to going back to the gym. And yeah, I just don't want to, I want to be consistent, because I want to see like results. And you know, consistency, you have to be consistent if you want to see results. Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna like get all the trash out before I start to like actually vacuum, just because when I do clean my car, I be forgetting that, and I be wasting my vacuum time. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay guys, so I'm done and my camera battery is about to die. So I just wanted to show y'all what my car looked like after I'm finished. So this is what the bottom looks like. I really didn't have that much of like something to clean. I had to clean my seat, so that's why it looks like this. Is going to dry. But yeah, I just cleaned the floor mats, vacuumed up the like crumbs, cleaned the mirrors. I washed my seats back there too, but nothing really too spectacular. My car is clean. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the thrift store. I'm not really gonna talk, just because I'm just gonna get little snippets. I might talk, but we'll see. But I just need little snippets of the thrift store, just because like I said, my camera's about to die. So let's go. Hello guys, so I am back. I just came back from the thrift store, and if you want to see what I got, just go watch my recent TikToks, and my social medias will be down in the description or on the screen. With that being said, if you want to know how I edit or do overall how I do my mini vlogs on TikTok, just let me know. Just let me know, and I'll post a video on that, on how I edit, how I pick the music, what like how I do my mini vlogs. And if you want to see that, just comment down below. I just wanted to come to y'all and show y'all. Hold up, it's a little dark right here. The drink that I made. Yeah, y'all gonna see it on the TikTok soon. So it is orange juice, lemon juice, pineapple juice, Sprite, ice, and then some fruit, and then a lemon, and then of course a straw. It's a non-alcoholic drink, and I just did it because I like the design of it, and it tastes really good. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that I have to go do this work that I said. It's too dark to go to Panera Bread, so I'm just gonna do it here. And just realizing the work that I had to do, it was something really minor. I just had to respond back to a couple of classmates response, so that's just gonna take a few minutes. I really need to go to Panera Bread for that, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna edit my TikTok as well, so go watch my TikTok. So that will be the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please comment something down below, or some video ideas, or something that you want to see me do. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching.